Hello, and congratulations again on making an incredible decision to join the PPLSI family. My name is Chris Ward. I'm just one of thousands of associates of PPLSI all across North America. Here today to share with you 3 steps for a new associate to earn $1,400 and take advantage of the bonuses moving to our core rank of manager. Of course, you've seen this in the opportunity overview, but I just wanted to show you exactly how simple it is to take advantage of these bonuses in your first month with PPLSI. So let's get right into it. Your very first step is to just recruit 2 associates with a 6490 combination legal and IDShield family plan. As a brand new associate, you're going to earn $70 in commission for each one of those sales, totaling at $140. Once you've attended the Fast Start training, which isn't necessary until up before 20 days in the business, but you don't need to take the Fast Start training in order to rank advance. You will earn a $300 cash bonus when you've completed this task within your first 20 days, totaling $440 that you've earned in step 1. Step 2, do it again. Recruit 2 additional associates. You're now at the senior associate manager, so you're earning $90 in commissions for both of those sales, totaling $180, meaning that from step 2, you've already generated $620. Step 3, between the 5 of you, just sell 4 more 6490 plans. To keep it super simple, let's just say that each one of your new associates just sold 1 6490 plan. That's 4 memberships. You'd be earning a $20 override from each one of those at $80. You've already attended the Fast Start training class, meaning is that when you hit the manager position, you'll get an additional $700 bonus, totaling $1,400 that you earn. Now, let's not overcomplicate this. When I got started, my first 4 associates were my mom and 3 of my brothers. So really, who do you know that would take a look at anything if you were just to ask them to take a look? Go out, don't wait 45 days. Do this in your first 4 to 5 days, which can be simply accomplished through a private business reception or a private conference Zoom. I want to congratulate you again on making an incredible decision to be a part of the PPLSI family, and I look forward to seeing you at the manager position.